This has been a true collaboration with the Assembly, the Senate, and the Governor, all working together as responsible stewards of the taxpayer dollar, focused on the long-term economic growth of California. This budget strikes a responsible balance between strengthening our long-term fiscal foundation and investing right now in the economy of today and the workforce of tomorrow. First and foremost, this budget makes another down payment on a more stable, sustainable fiscal future, with billions in reserves to further ensure that California's boom-bust budget roller coaster is a thing of the past. We're moving forward with a rainy day fund and a debt buy-down. At the same time, we're rewarding hard work and making targeted investments in California's future. This budget helps reverse the damage done to many families, many working families, by cuts made during the Great Economic Recession. This budget also recognizes that in a time of historic economic and technological change, long-term economic growth begins and ends with a successful, accessible public education system. This budget focuses on the bookend investments at the start and the end of a California student's educational career. Ensuring quality childcare will give every kid a fair shot at entering school ready to learn. And when they graduate high school, every kid deserves a shot at higher education. The budget reflects these priorities. We're securing the California dream for future generations with more than 13,000 more slots for childcare, 90% full-time, and 10,000 new enrollment slots for the California State University system, and 5,000 more slots for the University of California. In total, that is 15,000 brand new slots at the greatest public university system or systems in the nation. We're restoring cuts that were made to educational opportunity programs and service EOPs at our community colleges. And on another note, healthcare for 170,000 children, undocumented children, is a historic accomplishment. It's both a powerful act of compassion and a prudent economic approach by investing in preventative and primary care now instead of much more expensive health care later. I'm also proud that the budget accomplishes another historic milestone with the creation of a new immigration coordinator position in the governor's office. Thank you very much, Mr. Governor. I want to personally thank the governor for his leadership on immigration reform and bringing hundreds of thousands of people out of the shadows so they can become full participants in our society. But our work is not done, and the next discussions will focus on three very important areas. We have to move forward with California's ambitious climate change policies and reduce air and water pollution. We have to fix our broken healthcare system and ensure we're keeping the promise of Medi-Cal for patients and physicians alike, as well as for those who are developmentally disabled. And our crumbling infrastructure, as articulated by Madam Speaker, needs very serious help. I look forward to applying the same level of dedication and innovation to rebuilding and strengthening the pathways we use to move both people as well as goods. Simply put, it's the backbone of our economy, and it demands more attention. I'm very proud of the work that we have accomplished with Governor Brown and Speaker Atkins in putting forth a budget that reflects the values of a diverse and hard-working state with a growing, innovative, and sustainable economy. Again, I can't say enough. Working with Governor Brown and Tony Atkins, our Speaker, has been a real treat for me, a real opportunity to bring about a balanced budget for all Californians.